Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, we're gonna talk about what I would do if I had 0 clients, broke, struggling, and I wanted to be successful on social media. What would I do? Okay, what would a 10-year veteran in social media marketing who's crushing it, if I had to start all over, what are some of the things I would do starting from scratch? I know a lot of you guys are out there, you've been watching videos, perhaps 2020 wasn't your best year, and you're like, Maurice, give me the shimmy. Show me exactly what you would do if you had 0 clients, how you would get clients by the end of the month, by the end of the week. What are some of the things you would change, okay? And the first thing you gotta do, ladies and gentlemen, and I just actually said it, is you gotta change, okay? You cannot do the same activities that you did in 2020 and 2021 if you expect to get clients, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, if you want clients, okay, you have to change, all right? Because here's the truth of the matter. The activities that you did last year or whatever you were doing, okay, it didn't produce any clients, okay? That's why you got a 0, okay? You were doing something wrong. So we need to change the information that was downloaded into your mind in 2021 and get you some new information. So number 1 is you got to get, okay, this is important. You got to get some new info, because the info that you had last year obviously didn't produce any results. And it's so funny that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing and expecting things to change. So ladies and gentlemen, don't expect anything to change if you don't change, okay? So the first thing we got to do, all right, and this is important, is we got to change the information. In other words, we got to put more information in Mind University, okay? So that's key, all right? We need more information, and we need to work on the mindset. This is so key, okay? We got to get that mind tuned to something new. We got to turn our station to a different station if we want to be at 10,000 miles a month, okay? This is very important, ladies and gentlemen, all right? This is very important, okay? For you, okay, to hit a goal, to get a new result, you must be new. You must change, first inward and then outward, all right? You have to become it before you receive it. And that's so key. A lot of you guys want to make $10,000 a month, but your mindset is still at $5 a month. So something's wrong there, ladies and gentlemen. If you want $10,000 a month, you got to program, okay, $10,000 a month in your mind, and you got to begin to become that $10,000 a month person before it manifests on the outward, okay? So let's just go back. What would I do, okay, if I was a newbie like you on YouTube, all right, out there, perhaps working a job? If you're broke, let me say this. If you live in the United States of America and you're broke, the first thing I'm going to say is go get a job, okay? That's key. When I started, I had seed capital. My job, everything that I made from my job, I invested into my agency, okay, into my business, all right? This is important, all right? What you get in it is what you get out of it. It takes money to make money. So what I did is I took that job money, all right, M-O-N-E-Y. I took that job money and I put it over here into my agency, my SMMA, all right? I took that money because they were paying me at that time $10 an hour, all right? So you figure $10 an hour, 40 hours, that was $400 a week. That wasn't enough. But out of that $400, I would break off a piece of that $400, whether it was $100 or $200. Okay, I was getting paid every 2 weeks plus overtime, so I had money that I can break off. So that's key. This is a big tip for you guys. Go get a job and get the courses and the stuff that you need. All right, there's no excuse for you guys to be posting on social media. I can't afford a course. Yes, you can. Get off your new, you know what? Go sign up for Uber, TaskRabbit, any outsourcing site, go work at Amazon or whatever place. There's tons of places that are hiring. McDonald's, Burger King, do what you got to do, because guess what? Your job is temporary. My job was temporary. I knew it. All right, it's just temporary. Whether it was a 6 months or a year, I knew I was going to be out of there, because I knew I would get to $10,000 a month. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that. But the first thing I would do, if I was broke, I didn't have any clients, I didn't have a job, and not like that, I would get a job. Now, if I got a job, all right, and I'm broke, I'm going to still say, you know what? I'm going to pay a little bit on this credit card. I'm going to pay a little bit here. But out of this check, I'm taking me some money to put in my agency. If I need to spend $2,000 for Billy's SMMA course or whoever's course, I don't necessarily have to be my course, okay? But if you want to do cold calling, yes, you want to get my course, because I'm crushing it and my students are crushing it when it comes to making cold calls. And we're going to talk about that really quick here. So anyway, I want to make sure I got some money, because remember, you got to change the information and you got to fix the mindset. Okay, I knew I have to, work on my mind so I can get to some more money and and a new lifestyle. All right. So anyway, take that money, put it in your SMMA agency. Okay. The next thing you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, okay, because we just fixed your broke problem. Most of you guys don't have a financial problem. You got a mind problem. You keep telling yourself the wrong stuff, okay? And if you say it, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to manifest. You got to watch what you're saying. A lot of you guys are self-sabotaging your own future by saying, I'm broke, I can't afford it, and all this other garbage. Okay, I can't make cold calls. Well, if you program that in your subconscious mind, it's going to manifest. So stop saying that garbage. You can do it. There's abundance out here, especially in the United States of America. Okay, and in your mind has to become abundant first. A lot of your mindsets are broke. It's not that you don't got money, it's that your mind and your words are horrible. Fix that mess so that you can become wealthy in SMMA. And it's only going to come inward first. All right. This stuff just don't happen on the outside. You want a big bank account on the outward at B of A and Chase and wherever you bank at. It's got to be up here first. This is the most important bank, ladies and gentlemen. Mind University. If Mind University is broke, guess what? Your wallet, your purse, and your bank account is going to have $0 in it, because you're programmed for brokenness. I'm trying to program you guys for $10K a month. And in order to get programmed for $10K a month, it starts up here first. So that's why we're doing it. So the first thing I got to do, change my information, change my mindset. And here we go. Lastly, all right, this is important. Activity, all right? You got to get active, ladies and gentlemen. This is so important, okay? I'm just going to put let me just write this here. Take action. This is key, all right? You got to prospect. A lot of you guys are just chilling. You're sitting on the sofa doing absolutely nothing. You're not active. You're not taking action. In order to get prospects, in order to get clients, ladies and gentlemen, you got to prospect. You should be on that phone. Here's what I would do, okay, on the strength. This is what I would do, ladies and gentlemen. I would lock myself in my room, okay? I work my 8 hours. I would come home for 4 hours a day. And I would just bang the phone out. I would get downright serious. A lot of you guys are playing. You're not serious enough to make $10,000 a month. You're serious enough to make $1,000 a month. But if you want to make $10,000 a month, you got to go all in 2021. You got to go all in. Put in 5 hours a day, okay? 5 hours per day. Get serious, ladies and gentlemen. If you want to change, if you want a different result, change your activity. But go all in. Now, I'm talking about me. If I had 0 clients, I was broke, I had a job, I had a few $100s that I can pull from my check. Pull it away from your check and sacrifice. Because to be honest with you guys, you'll pull $100 for Jordans, the PlayStation. It's amazing. It amazes me what people would do when they want something. They want that 20-inch TV. They want that 20-inch TV. They want that Xbox. They want that new car. They'll do anything. But when it comes to their business and social media, we make excuses. And my mentors told me, you can make excuses or you can make money, but you can't do both. And I'm telling you guys, you got to go all in if you want your dreams to become a reality. And you got to have a dream or a goal if you want that dream or goal to come true. And it's time out for you guys playing around. A lot of you guys play too much and you're not serious. You're around here complaining, okay, and you wondering why this is not showing up in your bank account. You want $10,000 a month to show up in your bank account. Change your information, change your mindset, invest in yourself, invest in Mind University. Stop saying you don't got it. You do got it. You just need to allocate it and prioritize and budget your money a little bit better. And then you can get the courses and the information needed to be successful. Because here's what I'm trying to get you guys to do. Change your skills. Skills pay the bills. And a lot of you guys just don't have the skills to prospect. That's why you suck and you don't have clients. You just don't have the skill set. So when you get courses, they increase your skill set. Can you imagine, ladies and gentlemen, trying to learn how to fly a plane on your own? Just imagine that. Okay, I hand you the keys to a Learjet and I say, here, go learn how to fly this. Would you go on YouTube and just skim around? No, you're going to get serious. You're going to hire a pro to help you learn how to fly that plane because, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to tell you this right here. If you don't have the right information when you learn how to fly that plane, guess what you're going to do? You're going to crash. And a lot of you guys are crashing. It's social media marketing because you won't get the course. You won't learn from somebody that knows how to fly the plane. All right. When you learn from somebody who knows how to fly the plane, you're going to start flying. You're going to start flying, making money like your boy Maurice. And so that's why I'm giving you guys this information. So this is what I would do if I was broke, I had no clients. I'm going to get new information because that information isn't working. Think about it, ladies and gentlemen. The information, the reason why you don't have the results that you want is because the data that you had and you were using is not working. All right. You're not taking action. You're not prospecting. You won't invest in yourself. And if you continue, guess what, ladies and gentlemen? You're going to continue to get the same results. So let's fix this, ladies and gentlemen. Click the link in the description, grab the course, do what's necessary. If you guys want help, you want one-on-one coaching, you can also click the link in the description. Make sure you guys comment below. I just gave you guys literally $1 million value right there. This is all you got. This is what people do. Okay? You got to get new information, ladies and gentlemen. You got to get busy 5 hours a day on that phone. Okay, and I guarantee you, boy, in 30 to 60 days, you might be over $10,000 a month. You'll have a slew of clients. You'll be living a phenomenal life, driving where you want to drive and all that neat stuff, taking vacations, firing your job. Then you ain't got to work no job no more. You can go full time in SMMA. Imagine that, creating your own schedule and living the lifestyle. But you got to sacrifice. You got to put some money in this stuff. Stop trying to do this the cheap way. You do it the cheap way, ladies and gentlemen, it's going to take you longer. Okay, it's going to take you a long time. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's what I would do. Comment below. Let me know how you like this. Make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Helps with the algorithm. And guess what, folks? I will see you guys on the next one. Bye for now.